They will be yours if you follow this manifestation technique. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, in a place where you feel safe and relaxed. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Close your eyes and allow yourself to sink into a state of calm and serenity. Let my voice guide you through this journey. Begin by focusing on your breath. Take a deep inhale for a count of 4. Hold it for a count of 4. And exhale slowly for a count of 6. Feel your body relax more with each breath. Allow any tension in your shoulders, your back, your jaw, or anywhere else to melt away. With each exhale, let go of worries, doubts, or resistance. Inhale calm energy and exhale anything that no longer serves you. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body, cradling you gently. Imagine yourself sinking deeper into relaxation with every breath, like a leaf floating softly down onto a calm lake. You are safe. You are held. You are ready. In your mind, gently affirm to yourself, I am open to love. I am worthy of love. Love flows effortlessly into my life. Allow these words to echo softly in your heart as you continue to breathe deeply. Visualize these affirmations wrapping you in a warm, glowing light. Feel this light expanding within you, filling every corner of your being. Let it radiate outward, touching everything around you with love and peace. You are becoming a magnet for love, effortlessly drawing it into your life. Now, begin to picture the person you love or wish to manifest. If you don't have someone specific in mind, simply imagine the essence of the love you desire, a kind, compassionate, joyful presence. See this person smiling at you, radiating warmth and love. Imagine the two of you together, sharing laughter, deep conversations, and moments of harmony. Feel the joy, the peace, and the connection as if it is happening right now. Notice the details, their smile, the sound of their laughter, the way their energy feels when they are close to you. Picture their eyes meeting yours, filled with trust and affection. Let this vision become more vivid with each passing moment. Feel the emotions of love as though they are already here. Notice how your heart feels open and expansive, as if it's glowing with a beautiful light. Bask in this energy, knowing it is yours to experience. As you hold this vision in your mind, picture a soft, golden light flowing from your heart to theirs. This light represents unconditional love and the energy of alignment. Visualize this connection becoming stronger with each breath you take, glowing brighter and brighter. Now, expand that light to surround you both. Envelop yourselves in a warm, protective bubble of love and gratitude. Know that this connection exists in a realm of infinite possibilities. In this bubble, you are both free to be your most authentic selves. Feel the energy of acceptance, joy, and mutual respect filling the space between you. Take a moment to express gratitude for this connection, even before it fully manifests. Whisper silently, "Thank you, thank you, thank you." Imagine now that the golden light surrounding you begins to transform into a gentle wave of lavender and pink energy, representing tenderness and passion. These waves ripple softly around you, carrying with them the vibration of true love. Feel these waves washing over you, dissolving any fear or doubt. Let them remind you that love is your natural state, that it is always within you and always available to you. Imagine the person you are manifesting feels this same energy, drawn to you as naturally as a flower turns toward the sun. Now gently release this vision to the universe. Trust that the energy you have created will guide this love into your life at the right time and in the most harmonious way. Say to yourself, I release this with trust. I am aligned with love. What is meant for me flows effortlessly into my life. Feel the weight of attachment lifting from your shoulders, replaced by lightness and peace. Know that the universe is already conspiring in your favor. Trust that what is meant for you cannot miss you. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Take a deep, cleansing breath, and when you are ready, open your eyes. You are now aligned with the energy of love and manifestation. Trust that the universe is working in your favor. Carry this feeling of peace and gratitude with you throughout your day. Let it remind you that love is always within reach, waiting to unfold in its perfect time.